Alright, what's up everybody? This is Sasuke Hakake 100 and I saw a couple of neck cracking videos. They looked so raw. One dude, he really cracked his neck like 2 or 3 times. I was like, damn. But let me show y'all some real neck cracking. All the videos that I saw, everybody was using their hands to crack their neck. People, you also crack your neck without touching it. Okay, let me show you an example. Okay? Pay real close. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, can't crack my fingers that many times, but there we go. See? Yeah, so that's my video. Hope y'all liked it.